welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you what Madam Glam sent in that second parcel. I just want to firstly apologise for this video going out a little late. For those of you that saw my previous video, I did show you a little sneaky peek preview of what Madam Glam sent in the second parcel, but it's took me a little bit longer to record than what I was hoping. For those of you that have seen my last couple of videos, you'll have known that I was really poorly, but I'm starting to feel a lot better now, thank goodness. So yeah, bitch is back, and just in time for some cool Halloween designs, eh? So anyway, back to the video. Let's have a look what is in the second Madam Glam parcel. Madam Glam has kindly sent me a few of their brushes. So we've got the Madam Glam striping brush, the Madam Glam flat played brush, the petal brush, the dotting tool, and their silicone tool. So they come in these little protective tubes, which I like, so they don't get knocked about in transit. They've all got lids, which I like as well. I do love a lid on my brushes. So this is their striping brush. So this is a little bit thicker than their liner brush. It is 11mm long. This is the petal brush. I'll get rid of any glue in there, what they put in, so it don't get wrecked in transit. So this is 10mm long, and it is 1.8mm wide. I've been dying to try one of these petal brushes. They make creating petals so easy. Then we've got the dotting tool. Really nice fine dot on it. I've only got one dotting tool, and it's one of them dual-ended ones, and even the smallest end is not as small as that, so I'm really happy with that. Then we've got the silicone tool. This looks like a nice sturdy silicone tool. These silicone tools come in really handy actually. I use mine quite a lot. And then this is the flat played brush that is 8mm and 2mm wide. So that is all the brushes. So I've decided what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to do a super quick, easy, beginner friendly Halloween design using most, if not all, of these, and we'll see what they're like for using. So I shall get set up and I'll pop back in a minute. Right guys, so we've got Gucci in today. She's going to be my model. Good old Gucci. You can always rely on her to be my guinea pig. So you'll see I've already given all of the nails a coat of Madam Glam's Maze gel polish, and I've also gone over with the Madam Glam's matte top coat because I'm going to be doing artwork on these. I find it so much easier to do artwork on a matte surface. So I've pulled out my Madam Glam white gel paint, and the first brush we're going to use is the flat played brush, and I'm going to paint a pumpkin just kind of on the corner of this nail. I'm going to do the same on this one as well. I'm going to give them a quick cure. So now I'm using the white gel paint again. I'm going to be using the petal brush. I'm going to paint a couple of little ghosties. I love how precise this brush feels. I feel like you can get it really precise. I like that. I'm going to give him some little arms. Like that. Pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So now I'm using the orange gel paint and the petal brush. I'm just going to go over the white. So the reason I went in with the white first, guys, is because I wasn't sure whether the orange would cover over that green.
Track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down?
Like that. Give that a cure for 60 seconds. I'm going to use the Madam Glam's black gel paint and the striping brush. I'm going to outline these pumpkins. And I'm going to do the lines. Now I'm going to use the dotting tool and we're going to do the ghost's eyes and mouth. Dot, dot, and then a slightly bigger dot. That is it. So easy, guys. This dotting tool is so precise. Love it. So much smaller than my one. See how easy that was? Love that. Now I'm going to give that a quick cure in the lamp, just in case I knock it or anything. I'm going to use the Madam Glam's white gel paint and I'm going to do a couple of little stars. And just a couple of little ones dotted about like that. Like that. Then I'm going to get my Madam Glam detail liner brush. Look how fine this is, guys. It is such a fine brush. I'm just going to pull through a couple of these. Up. Down. Right. left. Just like that. Then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now I want these to be matte, but I have found when you go over any artwork with a matte top coat, it can cause the artwork to smudge. So the best way I've found to do it is to go in with a shiny top coat first, because the shiny top coat doesn't seem to do it for some reason. I don't know what causes it. Not a clue what causes it. But like I say, it doesn't do it with the shiny top coat, so best way is to use a shiny top coat first, cure it, and then go in with your matte top coat. And you see that's not smudging at all. No smudgy wudgies. I'm going to quickly pop them in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to go over them with the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. Now, when you're going over with a matte top coat, you want to make sure you don't miss any of that nail. Because if you do, you're going to have shiny patches. And it's going to look silly. So just spend a little longer than what you normally would with your shiny top coat. Making sure that you're getting all down them sidewalls. Don't forget to cap the free edge. And as you can see, none of that artwork is smudging. Because that can be so disheartening. I've done it many a times myself. Spent hours freehanding a set of nails. I then go in, not thinking, with my matte top coat, and it all smudges everywhere. Oh, it's awful. It's so disheartening. Right, so now I'm going to pop them in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So I'm going to use the Madam Glam's shiny top coat and the striping brush. I'm going to pop a little bit of that top coat on my palette. Like that. Then I'm not going to cure that. Then into that, I'm going to sprinkle some of this gorgeous iridescent orange glitter. I'm going to be using the Madam Glam's silicone tool. Then I'm going to pop that in the lamp for a double cure for 60 seconds, just to make sure it cures through that glitter. And this silicone tool is so easy to clean as well, guys. I'll show you. So I've got a lint-free pad with some isopropyl alcohol on it. Just going to get rid of that glitter. And that is it. All clean. Ta-da! While they're curing in the lamp, I'm just going to quickly show you as well how I clean my brushes. So I use a base coat and some kitchen roll. Let's take this one for instance. So this is the striping brush. I get a little bit of base coat like that, and then I run that through the bristles like that to make sure that all the bristles are coated. And then I just fold that bit of kitchen roll over and squidge that excess out. And you see there's still a little bit of black coming out of there. And I just keep doing that until it's clean. And then once it's clean, I just give it a little coat in that base coat again. And then drag it down the kitchen roll like this. As I'm dragging it down the kitchen roll, guys, I am twisting it from side to side, and that just makes sure that it stays in its perfect shape. And that is how I clean my nail art brushes. So that's them all done, guys. What do you think? I think they're really cute. I think that glitter just finishes them pumpkins off nicely as well. I really enjoyed using these brushes, every single one of them. The silicone tool I would have liked to have showed you a little bit more about. So this silicone tool, I would use that for rubbing transfer foil into a nail. I would use it for burnishing chrome powder into a nail. If I'm applying decals or stickers, I would use it for making sure the edges are all stuck down nicely. It's actually a really nice sturdy silicone tool. So all the products that I've used today I shall leave listed in my description box below, like I always do, guys. You'll also find my discount code in there as well, GG30. Let's have another quick look at the brushes again, shall we? Very quickly. So we've got the silicone tool, the flat blade brush, detail liner brush, petal brush, dotting tool, and striping brush. And they're really, really nice to use. I can't wait to try the petal brush for actually doing petals. I think it's going to be so easy. So that's everything for today's video, guys. I want to say a massive thank you to Madam Glam for sending me all of these gorgeous goodies. Thank you so much. I want to say a massive thank you to you guys as well for being so patient with me while I've been poorly. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.